Hello boys and girls, my Parrot Disco drone is back in one piece. Got some second-hand wings, reinforced it with some tape, not tested out yet, but that's the reason why we're here tonight. Completely calm evening in Up Holland. Let's test it out. Right, let's set it up. I've just realised one thing I forgot to do, to attach my flyer's ID on it, but I hope drone police will forgive me. This is just test flight. Lights on. All fires up. So it's all connected up. Let's do some calibration first. Flat trim. And some movement for the wing. Right. But first, let's test everything works. Yeah, everything works. So, just check with the GoPro recording there. Right. Let's hope it's flying. Hey, bit nervous. Let's see what's happened. Yeah, it does. It does fly. Yay! Flies absolutely fine. Let's try not to fly up above other people in case. Yay, happy days. It's flying and recording. Still, I don't know why it's decided to crash land in the bushes. Okay, some tailwind, some speed up. At least I know here in this area there's not so bad bushes with the horns and stuff. Let's come a bit lower. And as I noticed, people don't mind this type of drone. They're all afraid of quadcopters, something with the four propellers. if it's something like this, they're all admiring it. Come down, come down, come down. Shall I land? Nah, not yet. It's probably overtaking cars. Not going over the wood so much. If something happens, not fancy to climb tree tonight. Okay, I think that's enough. It's proven itself, it's airworthy. She's going to do a bit more reinforcement with the tape over the top of the wings, because tape is only on the bottom now and the wingtips. Okay, let's try to land as it should to land. Not like crash land. Yeah, that's the way to land it. And not recorded as a crash. Happy days. Aer Lingus to Manchester. Okay, let's turn it for north. Yeah, it's quite warm. Could be overheating that day. Right, thank you for your attention. See you next time.